We're here today at the Cotopaxi headquarters and retail store in downtown Salt Lake City. Job growth throughout the state remains strong. Consumers in Utah, their sentiment regarding their jobs remains high, with 81% of Utahns feeling secure about their jobs. The Utah Department of Workforce Services indicated that jobs have increased 3.3% on an annual basis, and that's actually the fastest job growth in the nation.
We wanted to create an experience where people could go out and they could live the values of our brand, the values of giving back, of exploring, of seeing the world, spending time in the outdoors. There's no place in the country that loves the outdoors more than Utah. The percentage of people that recreate annually in the outdoors is higher than any other state in the country. We're proud to represent Utah values and proud to be really a contributor to the economy here in Utah. And our hope is that we can become the next brand that you think of when you think of the outdoors. And we expect to do that right here in Salt Lake.